Welcome to another Form Titan DocSign video, and in this video we'll talk about how to assign fields to multiple users and then push data to Salesforce. So what I'll do is I'll put in a demo document here I've got available. This is it. Give it a second to load. Okay, so I've got a couple of fields, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign these fields to two separate users. So user A can only fill out certain parts and user B can fill out certain parts. And that's it. And then we'll show you how it's done. So let's get some data and some fields. Get these fields over here and I'll just hide the label as we don't need it. And then we'll call this field term in the tag. Copy and paste. And we'll call this contact name. And this field can be billing street. And this field can be billing city, just like that. Billing city, and then here we can add another field. It's going to be postcode. And then we'll just copy that into state. And then country. And then finally, I'll have a signature place here. And I know this is only made for one signature, but I'll add two signature fields there because I want them to be signed by two different people. So just like that, and I'll show you how to assign them. Okay, once you've got your fields here, what I'd like you to do is, actually there's one more field we've got to do, which is a date field. Contract start date, hide label. Okie dokie, here we go. Okay, so we've got these two fields here, and now we can assign them to separate users to fill them out. Okay, I'll start with this. I'll say general, and I'll say add user. Okay, and then I'll say add user, and then I'll add a custom user. I'll say Joe blogs, and I'll give him my personal email address. gmail.com. And then I'll add another one. I'll say Tim blogs, and I'll also give him my personal email address. Okay, let's just give this a save. Okay, once we're saved, we're going to go ahead and assign these fields. So all you need to do is click on the field, select the user who can edit this field. So I'll say Joe blogs for this one, and we'll say Joe blogs for this one. This one can be Tim blogs. Again, this one will be Tim blogs. Tim blogs again. Tim blogs here too. Tim blogs here too. Tim blogs here too. And then finally, these two fields, I'll say Joe blogs for this one, and then Tim blogs for this one. That's it. Very, very simple. Once you've done that, you will go ahead and set up whatever protection that you need to have. I've got for me the private, and then simply it will send them to these emails. All I have to now do is go ahead and click publish, and it will send them off to both of the emails. Okay, so the document's been sent. Let's have a look what's happened. Give it a refresh. Nothing's come over here yet, and I will pull that across shortly, but let's have a look in Gmail. What's come through here? Here you go. So you are requested to sign a document. And let me see what's happened here. The other one, why has nothing come through yet? Maybe just need to give it a refresh. Okay, either way, on the left-hand side it will say, hey, Joe Blogs has asked you to sign the document. I'll now go ahead and sign the document and see which fields I can edit. you can see that the fields I can really edit are the ones assigned to me. Okay. However, the fields here, which are for Tim blogs, are not available to me at all. Okay. So, but this one is. So I'll go ahead and fill my part of the details. I'll say 24. The date is the end of the month. Okay. And remember, these fields are not assigned to me; they're assigned to Tim blogs. But however, this signature field is. So I'll just do random signature here. Confirm, and then I'll finish the sign. Okay, the document has been submitted. Now this is where Tim blogs part comes into play. So I'll just quickly pull this across to show you. I'm going to drag this across. Okay, here we go. Right, so here we go. So here, now it comes for Tim blogs. It says, hello Tim blogs, you're ready to sign the document. So remember, Joe blogs has already signed it, now Tim blogs is going to sign it. So again, these fields are already amended by Joe blogs, so we can't touch those. And then I'll just go ahead and create Tim blogs' details like this. Say test street. I'll say Alabama. 2, Alabama again, and country, United States. And there's my field that I can sign for Tim. So this is Tim's details. Now I finished sign, and now the document has been pushed successfully. All the details have been completed, it's been pushed. Now, if I go into the email, you will see that the document process was successfully signed. Here's what it looks like. Give it a load. This is the details, and these are the 2 signatures. So that's how awesome it is that you can create it and then push it to Salesforce, or just have it signed to you. And then this document has now been pushed across. And this is how it's done.